Hello everyone and welcome back to Think Big Digital, where we bring you professional tips, tools and techniques to enhance your digital productivity and security. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use grid lines in Canva, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So at first, we're going to move on to the Canva website and select the templates option. Select our preferable picture from the templates option. Here I'm selecting a plain background image that is free, and now we're gonna click on the use this design option. Select our custom size that we want the design to be in. Here I have selected my dimensions and we're gonna move on to the project. We're gonna select the file option in the upper left corner, click on settings, and we will see that there is an option called show rulers and guidelines. We're again going to go to the same option and click on add guides and click on 3x3 grid. Now we're going to customize the grid however we want, and for that you can add any dimensions you want in px format or px unit, and voila, that's how you use grid lines in your Canva design. And then we're going to select the add guides option and it is done. If you want, you can log the grid lines. Here it is already locked in my design. So this is it for today, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, please take a moment to like this video, and if you have any queries, drop a comment down below and we will get back to you within 24 hours to associate you with our best efforts. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video.